Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And to all my new subscribers, welcome. I am Nikki of Balloon by nikicharmz, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make this beautiful flower bouquet step by step. So if you're interested, continue to watch. Also hit that subscribe button to stay in tune with my weekly videos. And turn on your notification bell. Let's get started. Today we're using all Qualatex brand 260 balloons. I'm using red and pink for the petals and green for the stems and also black for the vase. So for this project you're going to need 4 of each color. You're going to blow up the pink, red, and green first and hold off on blowing up the black. You'll see why at the end. Today I'm using a manual pump for the whole project. So for the petals, you want to blow up these 260 balloons, but not all the way to the end. You want to leave some space because you will be twisting the balloons. And even when I tie at the end, I let out some air. And we repeat this process for the red and pink balloons. Moving on to the green balloons, which are the stems, you're going to blow it up the same way, but you're going to leave in more air. Once the stems are completed, you want to take all 4 of them and bend them in half. So you should have 4 balloons of each color. Now we move on to creating the petals. Now you want to take a small section of the end and bend and twist and use the end of the neck and wrap it in between the little opening. And you want to continue this step of bending and twisting until you have 6 petals. And when twisting, make sure to wrap it a couple of times just to make sure it's secure. Once you have 6 petals, you can stop twisting, and it should look like this. Once the petals are secure, you can cut off the excess of the balloons and twist it into the petals. And then play around with it until you form the perfect petal. We repeat this step until all 8 petals are created. For this petal, I actually had enough space, so I was able to just wrap the end of the balloon into the petals. And there you have it. Once we finish creating all these beautiful petals, we move on to the stems. So for the stems, you're kind of going to do it the same way as the petal, but you're going to squeeze less of the end of the balloon. And you're going to wrap it with the neck and put it in between the space once again. And you're going to repeat this process on the other end of the balloon. And that's it. And we just repeat the process. Once all stems are completed, you take them all and bend them together, as you see me doing and dancing. Now to attach the stem to the petal, all you want to do is twist the stem into the balloon. Once it's twisted in, you could just play around with the petal to make sure it's formed correctly. Balloon is tied, it should create a vase and be able to stand on its own. You may have to play around with it a little bit, but it should be sturdy. Don't forget to cut off all the loose ends. And we just completed another DIY project. Once again, thank you guys for all the love and support. I hope you guys were able to create with me and enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and tell me how I did in the comments. Until next time, be blessed. Mwah.